Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learning with ABCD. Today we are going to learn the subject and predicate in English grammar. So let's take an example first. For example, I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Now how to identify the subject? Just ask a question, what or who. Now in this situation we will ask who. So if we ask who, what answer we will get? I. So this I is a subject. I is subject. And now the remaining part will be the predicate. So every sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. So we will take another example. They play chess. Now in this sentence, if we ask a question to this sentence, who, we will get the answer they. So they is a subject and the remaining portion which starts from this verb is predicate. Take another example. Winter is a cold season. Now here ask what, we will get the answer winter, right? So winter is a subject here and the remaining from this verb is a predicate. To understand it properly, I will show you something how to see. Now there are two portions, there are two parts of this one any sentence. The first part is subject. You can see the subject. If we ask the question, the subject is what or who, and this can be added, this portion. If we add this portion, then we get the complete sentence, that is the predicate. The subject is what or who and the predicate tells about the subject, how the subject is, and which includes verb. Verb is included in this portion, predicate. So in the predicate, verb is one of the main parts of this predicate. It is not included in subject. It is not in verb is not included in subject. Okay, so subject is only what or who. Whatever the answer, that is the subject. Now to understand uh, it, I have some activity. See, this subject and predicate can be understood by this a little activity is there, which is very interesting, right? So I have two cups. In these cups I have some sticks. So now there is one activity you can try with your child or your student. See, I will take one stick from this portion, that is this is practice. Now practice, and I will take one from this. Now practice is beautiful. No, it's not sense. There is not sense, right? Yes. Now I have got this. Yes. Practice makes a man perfect. Yes. Now this is the complete sentence, and this is the subject. This is the subject, and makes a man perfect is predicate. Now the another stick I will take. Rahul. Rahul. Rahul flows into the sea. No. Mm, Rahul play chess. Yeah, but there is no S is there, so grammatically is not correct. Rahul don't like pizza. No. Rahul invited me. Yes, that makes the sense. That's what Rahul invited me. This is one of the activities you can try with your children or your students if you are a teacher. Rahul is a subject here, and invited me is predicate. Now I will try. Yes, Rahul, the same, is arrested. Yes, correct. Rahul is a subject, is arrested is predicate. Now another, the woman, the woman play chess. No, the woman is beautiful. Yes, correct. The woman is beautiful. The woman is a subject here, and is beautiful is a predicate. So you can try this activity with your with the children. Then there is another activity. I have just made it. We have two dice here. See, some big dice I have made. You can have some small or bigger according to your choice, right? So there are two different dices. One here on the one dice I have written the subject portion, and on another I have written predicate. Now we have to match it, right? So they 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 barks. No. They is brave. No, it's not sense. There is no sense of it. They cooks. No. They play. Yes, bingo. They play. So they is a subject and play is a predicate. Now another, the dog sings. Yeah, the dog can sing. No, the dog sings, correct. mm, my mom aren't sad. No. Play. No. My mom sings. Yes, so my mom sings. So my mom sings. So my mom is a subject and sings is a predicate. So in by these methods or by these activities, there are a lot of activities. I have shown some little bit activities to you, so you can make it at home. They are very cheap, and you can have practice with different activities like this, and in this way your child will get interest in it, and he or she will do by himself or herself without any force. You don't have to make up any force of having studies, doing studies. Okay, so just try these activities, and one more thing, I have another activity. See, uh, this is a list I have made. Some sentences are there. So if this is kept in the transparent sheet so that it can be reusable, okay, and easily there is an activity that subject and predicate. So color the subject blue and the predicate with red. So the student will get interest by doing this activity also. For example, now my mom loves me so much. Now subject who, if we ask the question who, then uh, my mom. Yes, so my mom, you can circle it also, and predicate is loves me so much. Another, Diwali is celebrated all over India. So what is celebrated? Diwali. So Diwali is a subject, and is celebrated, the complete portion is predicate. So friends, you just try, and this can be reusable. So you can just rub it with any cloth, weight cloth or tissue paper or anything. It's so just try these activities, and uh, teach your child subject and predicate. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, share it, like it, and Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.